looks like it not only get bent inner end, but it also might bend the rack. And this is what broke off. It also needs control arm. That's bent right here. And this is separate present. So we're gonna take the caliper and remove the control arm if possible. Okay, good. Yeah, I think now we got room. We got room for this. Yeah, that's it. After big exercise, we can use just regular pipe wrench to take it out. There is a blue Loctite over there.